Hi, my name is Brittany, and today we're going to be focusing on our project spotlight with Sally Beauty, who's one of the world's largest retailers of beauty supplies. We recently gave Sally Beauty stores a makeover and replaced their signage with light boxes and SEG fabric. SEG stands for Silicone Edge Graphics. The silicone beading is sewn around the edge of the fabric and is then inserted into the frame. When the fabric is completely in the frame, it gives a very frameless, edgeless appearance. Since the light boxes are so close together, we were able to daisy chain them. This means that we ran the electrical from light box to light box so that we can limit the amount of cords. For this size, we were able to daisy chain 8 light boxes per cord. Once the light boxes are completely installed, it's very easy for the stores to swap out the fabrics. If you're interested in learning more about light boxes or SEG fabric, give us a call at 1-800-962-3119 or visit us at 40visuals.com.